Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick review of the Macquarie banking app with an honest pro and cons and its verdict. So in 2026, the Macquarie banking app continues to set the standard for a smart banking experience in Australia, often outperforming the big four banks in pure functionality. The biggest pro is its powerful search and categorization engine. It feels more like a search engine for your money, allowing you to find specific transactions from years ago in seconds using natural language. It also offers a savings account experience that is virtually unmatched, with high interest rates paid on your everyday transaction amount and the ability to create up to 100 separate saving jars within one account. So, the 2026 version has integrated even more advanced spend tracking and budgeting tools, giving you a real time look at your financial health. The con is that for those who used to massive physical branch networks of CBA or Westpac, the digital first nature can be a hurdle if you ever need an in person assistant. Additionally, while the app is feature rich, it lacks some of the hyper specialized investing integration found in more niche fintech apps. So if you want a bank that treats your smartphone as the primary branch with world-class tech and no-fuss savings, then Macquarie is the best all-around banking app on the market today.